What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson. Before we get into this video, let's get it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Jackson. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we back, yo. I'm just letting y'all know, new intro coming soon. A lot of people having this problem. I was one of them. I already got it fixed. They getting this error code called NP-103028-4. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. It's a couple of ways you can fix it. You could go to storage and make sure your I think it's one of these, yo, that you gotta do. It's save data, and you gotta make sure your sync is able and automatic, yo. Mine was already automatic, yo. A lot of people wasn't automatic. They had to go ahead and click on this and turn it on automatic, but mine was already on automatic. And then a lot of people, they went into the PS4 cloud. I don't know what they did, but a lot of people deleted it. Then they went into the PS5, but I didn't do that. What I did was simple, easy. All I did was hit on that when I got that error, and then with the restart. When I went to restart and it came back on, and I tried to update my my PS4 stuff to my PS5, and it worked. That's all I had to do, yo. When I restarted, I went back to save data, and I was right here, yo, and I just click on the upload cloud, and then I just select all and hit upload, yo. It took about 10 minutes, but I uploaded everything to my PS5, y'all, and everything is working, y'all. Everything is working now, yo. That's all I did, y'all. Then everything's working. But y'all, if y'all like what y'all see, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and click on that bell and get notifications. You will get notifications when I upload or go live. And all you gotta do is click on apply all and hit yes, and then it will update everything that you say on your PS4 cloud to your PS5 cloud. It will sync automatic, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm out. If you like what you see, make sure you go check out all 4 of these playlists, yo, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share these videos. Your boy, see you when you see you. Peace. I'm out.